Hi guys. So a little bit of an unexpected kind of video, I guess. So basically I'm going home and the chances of me coming back are very slim. So basically we had spring break last week. This was our first week back to school, and yesterday my university shut down because of the coronavirus. The university sent out an email saying that classes were canceled for Thursday and Friday, and throughout March 29th we're doing online classes, which is going to be really interesting because I've never taken an online class in college before, and a lot of my professors have never taught online classes before. There's a lot of sorority stuff that got canceled I was really excited about. Like, I'm in film classes right now. How am I gonna do a film class online? And literally just like no one knows what's going on. So we're gonna do a little pack with me video. Quite excited about that. As of now, I don't know what I'm packing because I don't know how long I'm gonna be home for, but we're gonna spend the day doing that. I'm gonna organize some stuff as well. My room is an absolute disaster and it definitely needs a good spring cleaning, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, but first let's go make some tea. So I'm actually partnering with a company called Sips By on this video. It's a tea subscription box, and you can go on their website and customize your profile. So you can basically tell them what kinds of tea you like or what kind of teas you dislike, and the same for flavors. That way when they customize your box, you know you're getting stuff that you actually like. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. It comes with a cute little card that describes all the different tea flavors you got, and it even says made for Maddie on it. Super cute. And you get 4 of each flavor, so there's a bunch of teas to drink. So I'm gonna make one right now and show you guys that, but Emily told me I should try the raspberry pomegranate green tea, so we're gonna make that right now. So I'm gonna add some honey to it. So this is my grandparents' honey from their cute little bee farm. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Most amazing honey ever. It's the official taste test time. So we're gonna try this. Oh, it's really hot, but it's really good. This gets an A+ from me. I enjoy this. Okay, it is time to start packing. So I think I'm gonna do like a little bit of a combo of like organizing and packing because my room is a mess and everything is messy. I've never filmed a pack with me before, so I don't really know what to film. And we also have the issue of like I might not be coming back until finals, so I really just don't know how much to bring. But what we can do right now is light a candle. I think I might start with my desk because my desk has been bothering me. It's literally a mess. It's disgusting. Like, I need to fix this. This was all the stuff that was living in my desk right there. That's too much stuff. This part literally looks so much better. Okay, here's what my desk looks like now. It's pretty organized, if I do say so myself. So I have a box started of stuff that I want to bring. I think I'll probably just end up taking this box because it'll be nice to have like all my smaller stuff organized in here. Most of that stuff was old and this is literally all I'm gonna keep. Okay, we definitely need to go through this section. So this is where I keep all my vinyl supplies and all the shipping stuff for my company. And we're definitely gonna need to take that stuff. Okay, we're gonna try to pack and organize this whole section. It's so messy and so bad. Like, it's so bad. Like, I know there's a lot of stuff I need to bring. Like, I definitely need to bring my machine, hair stuff, and tanner, and like, I don't know, just like everything basically. There definitely are some things that I want to take home now that I won't need in case we do end up coming back, which honestly, I don't think so, and no one else really thinks so. That literally made the biggest difference. Oh my god. I am taking a decent amount of stuff with me, but this just looks like a whole new cabinet. Now we're gonna work on my clothes, which is going to be very rough because I have a lot of clothes here. I have like an absurd amount of clothes here. Like, they barely squish into my wardrobe amount of clothes. Let me show you. They're so squished. Okay, this is all my stuff from my wardrobe. Now we're going to move on to the drawers. Okay, I think I got all the clothes I wanted to bring except for my shoes. I haven't gone through those yet. Okay, here's everything sorted out into piles, kind of. So these are the shoes that I have so far. I'm definitely bringing more. I just haven't gone through them yet. This is my stack of sweatshirts. I know it's a lot. I really like wearing sweatshirts. Here are my pajamas, socks, underwear, and bras. I'm bringing my scarf and my hat home. I have a few skirts, and then these are all tops. These are a few sweaters. Those are all of my pants. And then I have a few jacket kind of things. It's a vest and a light sweater. And then I need to go through and organize this stuff so we can actually use the box to take home. And then this is all my vinyl stuff, and then that's my vinyl machine. So I guess I'm just gonna start putting my stuff in bags, I guess. So here's the sitch right now. Here's what's going on. Okay, I think I am officially almost packed. I can't finish packing everything tonight because I still need stuff tonight. And I also need to pack my food, but there's like a lot of refrigerated stuff, so I'll probably just pack it tomorrow morning before I leave. Obviously I need my laptop, but I'm gonna use that tonight. My backpack is pretty much packed. I just need to put my laptop and chargers in it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna use my slippers tonight. Those are the shoes I'm wearing tomorrow. And then I have my camera bag, but I'm using this camera right now, and I was just using that camera. These are the coats I'm bringing. And then this is like my shampoo and all that jazz. I know it's a lot of stuff to bring. It's like an excessive amount of stuff to bring, but I just don't know if we're coming back. But hopefully everything works out like it's supposed to. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to check out Sip Spy. I will have all their information linked in the down bar below for you guys. And I think that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scout.